What's up, guys? It's Tim here. We're back with another episode of stock price predictions and crazy news. Now remember, subscribe to this channel and I'll keep you guys updated with all the news and current events that are going to affect the stock market. If you subscribe and hit that notification bell, this is all the news you need to know. Alright, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research, but I'm doing my best to help you guys out and to give y'all a prediction on what's going to happen in the next week, month, year, 5 years, days of the price action of what's going on with the stock market. Now, in this episode, I want to update you guys on the Ukraine Russian invasion. Let's see, are they going to invade? Well, I have some updates for you guys. Okay. First of all, Biden's going to meet with Putin today, and hopefully he's going to calm everything down, and hopefully they can sort it out to where Putin will back off, and that will be great for the stock market. A couple weeks ago, when they mentioned that they were going to withdraw some troops, the stock market did a decent little run. But a week later, after putting out that false information, we found out that was a lie, and Putin actually added more troops to the borders. They're up to now 190,000 troops on the Ukraine border. But I wanted to go over some statistics with you guys as far as the Russian military and the Ukraine military. Now, I think that since the Olympics are over, Russia should have already invaded. They haven't invaded yet. So honestly, I don't think that they're going to. I think that, Putin is just liking the attention from the world. I mean, he's just sitting on the border, and he hasn't attacked yet. He hasn't invaded. Their military is a lot bigger than Ukraine's, a lot stronger. So I feel like they would have done it already. Now, the only reason they might not have was because of the Olympics, the Winter Olympics going on. But now that the Olympics are over, they haven't made a move. He's going to meet with Biden. Biden's going to talk him down. So hopefully that'll be good news today, and hopefully the stock market will do good tomorrow, and we'll finally get some buying pressure and have a little bull run. Let's see what happens. Crypto's not doing good today. It's still continuing to fall. Bitcoin is down 3.5% right now. So I think even the crypto market is worried about what's going on with Biden and how that meeting is going to go with Putin. So let's go over some of the statistics as far as the two militaries. Russia has 2.9 million troops compared to Ukraine only has 1.1 million troops in their active militaries. So Russia's military is twice as big as Ukraine's. Airplanes, Russia has 1,500 compared to Ukraine only has 98. Helicopters, Russia has 544, Ukraine only has 34. Tanks, Russia has 12,000 tanks, Ukraine only has 2,000 tanks. So that's a huge difference, okay? But those statistics aren't really affecting the stock market. What's affecting the stock market is the Russian troops on the border of Ukraine and us not knowing if they're going to attack. I hope he doesn't attack. War is not good for anyone, so they just need to go ahead and back off and stop threatening to hurt people, and everyone can move on with their lives. Now, with the troops there, it's hurting the stock market, especially along with inflation. Inflation keeps coming in higher than projected. Inflation keeps rising. It's at 7.5% now. So we need to have a big interest rate hike in order to slow this inflation down, and we need it. Yes, the stock market is hurting right now, but we have got to do something to save the dollar. So tomorrow may be a bloody day in the market, unless we get some good news out of the meeting with Biden and Putin. So we'll just see how that goes. So just be very careful tomorrow, and please hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to keep you'll keep up with these current events and the news that's affecting the stock market. You won't have to search up and read articles. You can just come to this channel and I'll tell you what's going on. As you know, if we have bad news, the market's going to go down. If we have good news, it'll go up. But right now, everyone's worried about what's going to happen with the Russian invasion. Also inflation. So I'm letting you guys know that inflation has gone up 0.5%. It was up 0.5% higher than projected for January. So hopefully February numbers will be better when they come out in March. Now, important dates. When you subscribe to this channel, I'm also going to give you important dates that affect the market huge. March 15th and March 16th, Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve, will come out and tell us how much he is raising the rates. Now, the market at first, a couple months ago, was expecting a 0.25 percentage rate, 0.25 point rate, 0.25 rate. Now they've moved that up to 0.5. So now the market is really priced in at an interest rate of going up at 0.5%. So hopefully that's all it is. But you never know. They could surprise us and could raise it more. We don't think that's going to happen because they don't want to shock the market. You know, if they shock the markets are going to drop. Everyone's going to freak out and start selling. But just remember, at the end of the day, this is good that they are raising the rates because inflation is so high, houses are so high, rent's so high, everything is so high. It's crazy right now. I actually just sold a house, got top dollar for it. I'm very happy about that, obviously. And when the prices of the houses go back down, I may buy some more houses, you know. Buy low, sell high. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm interested in your portfolios. How much are y'all down? What are you holding? What did you sell? So leave me a comment in the comment section and let's go over it. And I'd like to know what you guys are doing. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment section and I'll answer all the questions that you guys have. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button. And as soon as more news comes out, I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated. Thanks.